Yeah, we got the new compressor here, so we'll look on it. Try and match it up. This one, make sure everything good. Yeah, match it up. Well, if we take out these, extract these, and put them in here, so this go in here, so, and then let's see the wiring. Yeah, that's a grounds.